Good morning, students. Today is the first day of our virtual class of English. As you all know, the world is undergoing difficult times, but you must also have heard a saying that the show must go on. So let's cheer up and pray to God to give us strength and immunity to face this difficult situation. With that note, I would like to start the first poem, Dust of Snow, from your book First Flight. This poem is a short poem of two stanzas written by Robert Frost. But before I start, I would like to mention that though this poem is a short one, but it conveys a deep meaning. Here is the first stanza and its explanation. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. In this stanza, the poet is talking about a wintry day when all the tree tops are covered with snow. The poet was walking under one such snow covered tree. This was a hemlock tree. The hemlock tree is usually associated with poison and toxicity. However, a crow came and sat down on this tree. Suddenly, by the motion of crow, a mass of snowflakes from the tree fell down on the poet's shoulders. These immaculate white snow particles grabbed the attention of the poet and diverted his mind. Coming to the second stanza, it is as follows: Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. In the first stanza, we observed that the poet was in a sad and depressive mood, but the sudden shower of snowflakes diverted his mind and changed his mood. Earlier, he had been in a despairing mood, but the snowflakes that fell on him suddenly gladdened his heart. In addition, he thought that the particular day was not the one he was looking forward to. He had decided in his mind that the day would go waste. However, the shower of dust like snow on his shoulders changed his mind. It made him feel that the day had not been a complete waste. At least, some part of the day had been pleasant, since it had given him a new experience that he could treasure. Thus, we can observe that a simple moment proves to be very significant. Like, the poet's sorrow was washed away by the light showers of snow dust. His spirit was revived and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day constructively.